Hello tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got diving deep into the rugged world of smartphones with the Ulefone Armor X13. It comes with its unique design, departing from the traditional Armor X series look with the modern touch. The distinctive diamond camera layout and the industrial style orange frame give the X13 a fresh aesthetic appeal. From unboxing to detailed exploration of its features, we've got all covered, so let's jump right in. The Ulefone Armor X13 was introduced as a part of the new Armor X series, targeting adventurous souls seeking the reliable and durable smartphone without breaking the bank. Now let's start with unboxing. The X13 comes in a familiar yellow Armor series box, creating a sense of strength and toughness. Inside we find the essentials, the Ulefone Armor X13 itself. Alongside there is a color user manual written in many languages, the rest of paperwork, additional screen protector, which is actually tempered glass, even though we have already installed a screen protector at the factory and it's already on the phone out of the box. We have SIM tray opener, a strap for convenient carrying our smartphone around the arm, USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer, and finally 10-watt charger. Time to switch to our smartphone. The Armor X13 is a jewel in the Armor X series crown. Was unveiled with the promise to redefine durability without compromising on style. The striking diamond camera layout, embraced by the industrial style orange frame, whispers a tale of innovations in every detail. The X13 wrapped in a comfortable and soft rubber exterior stands out with its unique aesthetics. The orange pattern of the Armor X13 contributes the sleek and modern appearance. This phone is designed to endure the elements, boasting a IP68, IP69K and mil-STD 810H standards for resistance against drops, extreme temperatures and water immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. All sides of the Armor X13 are made of polycarbonate, slightly perforated, so that the smartphone is very comfortable to hold in the hand and is totally anti-slip. On the right side we can find these perforated volume buttons. Below it is the power button, which is also a fingerprint scanner. On the opposite side, under this rubber cover, there is a TF-SIM card drawer, which has 3 slots for as many as 2 4G SIM cards and 1 memory card at the same time. A little lower we found this orange programmable button here, which can be customized to perform various functions within phone or compatible applications. This button can be activated with the single click, double click or long press, so this one button has 3 different functions according to your wishes. Moving to the bottom of the phone, protected by a rubber cap to maintain the IP68 waterproof rating, you will find USB-C charging port. There is also a speaker grills. Let's turn the smartphone up, and under the rubber cover that guarantees water resistance, we will find one great thing, which is a 3.5mm jack for our headphones. From the front, between these interesting orange frames that represent the sporty accent and robustness of the phone and protect the screen, the Armor X13 sports a generous 6.52-inch display with resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels and 20:9 aspect ratio. This offers a satisfying experience for multimedia content, games and photos. In terms of screen brightness, I had no problems with outside visibility or in bright sunny days. The display is bright and legible in all circumstances. It's 60Hz display and don't expect any miracles here, but everything works correctly and as expected in this price range. The bright screen and the acceptable black value also result in a good contrast ratio, which leads to a stronger color representation on the screen. If you are not too demanding, this screen will definitely serve you well without any problems for daily surfing on websites and social media, as well as for occasional viewing on YouTube videos. Shifting our focus to the set of lenses, the Armor X13 unveils a 50 megapixel main camera incorporated by the groundbreaking 24 megapixel infrared night vision lens for the first time in the Armor X series. This edition transcends the boundaries of low light and night photography, crowning the X30 as a luminary on this realm. The smartphone supports 1080 pixel video recording and 30 fps, promising a comprehensive toolset for capturing the essence of your adventures. The infrared night vision function is equipped with the 24 megapixel lens that offers remarkably clear vision in low light environments. Not to mention too much, to get a feel for camera performance, it's best to check sample photos and videos I took using the Armor X13, so let's take a look. Beneath the surface, the Armor X13 houses the Helio G36 chipset designed to power the next generation of entry-level gaming smartphones. This has the effect of robust performance, further enhanced by the 6GB of RAM, expandable to 12GB with the additional 6GB of virtual RAM. The 64GB internal storage generously expands up to 256GB with the memory card, ensuring a spacious sanctuary for your apps, photos and media treasures. The Helio G36 processor from the MediaTek is one of the best gaming processors that comes under the affordable budget. This processor has the ability to uplift the power of the general specs and the entry-level smartphones and raise it to the level of the mid-range smartphone. It is designed to handle gaming needs in lower segments and support a lot of incredible features that a smartphone can prove. With the built-in large 6312 mAh battery, you can be very free about long-term use. So with the one charge you get the 294 hours of standby time or up to 29 hours of talk time, which is really great. Venturing into the software landscape, the Armor X13 navigates the tech realm into the latest Android 13, promising a seamless and a clean user experience. Embracing the convenience the NFC for mobile payments, the device comes equipped with the practical pre-installed apps, including a system manage optimizer and a versatile toolbox, and we also have a FM radio that does not require headphones or internet connection, just classic FM radio. The user interface is a familiar companion to the Android enthusiast, boasts comfort, intuition, and sophisticated design. As a guardian durability, the Armor X13 Pro proudly wears the badges of the IP68, IP69K and military STD 810H standards. The device resists to drops, dust and extreme temperatures and welcomes the watery embrace up to 1.5 meters for half an hour. What are the intriguing layer on its robustness is optional armor protective case, a shield designed by Ulefone to elevate ruggedness. This case is effortless for anti-shock TPU corners and a rigid plastic body. Its extra layer of protection shielding your device from the dangerous drops, scratches and shocks. What sets it apart in precise cutouts, ensuring seamless actions to buttons, ports and the camera. With the 180-degree rotatable back clip, as well as the secure carabiner, offers a comfortable viewer angle ready to accompany you on your high-altitude endeavors and the challenging terrains. This armor protective case is purchased separately, and I definitely recommend that you get it if you buy X30 smartphone. In any case, the Ulefone Armor X13 stands out as a symphony of innovation and durability. The smartphone summarizes a unique design, superior camera capabilities and enhanced performance, promising an unmatched experience for adventurous souls. The choice to invest in the Armor 30 is not just a purchase, it's embers of cutting-edge technology wrapped in armor of elegance. And there you have it, it's a quick journey through the Ulefone Armor X13. The official sales links are below this video. Be sure to visit it and get yourself a new Ulefone Armor today. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and more tech revelations coming soon, so stay tuned for our next video review. Until then, bye.